to all of you. Hi, this is Alice. I'm well and I hope you will be also well. So today I'm here to tell you something about my topic. But first of all, I would love to begin with saying gratitude to my teacher because bit by bit improved me and made me stand here. So now I come to my topic, and my today's topic is Republic Day. Today I'm going to elaborate about Republic Day, which is a crucial day for each and every Indian. And whenever we start a discussion about Republic or Independence Day, the only word we remember is liberty, independence or freedom. Right? But today I am going to introduce you all from a word republic. Republic is a form of government in which a state is ruled by the citizen democracy. Republic Day signifies the right spirit of independence and individual India. Now, however we count the numbers, we will only exclude that our India completed 73 years as an independent nation, which is a thing to be proud, but ever have we thought that we all are living freedomly and independently? So was there any struggle behind that victory? Yes, let me tell you, there was a real struggle and real legends behind that, which is really difficult to forget all those legends who fought for us, who didn't care for all of us, right? So typically on Republic Day, people love to tribute all the freedom fighters, but be ready to listen to a magnificent way to celebrate this Republic Day and make it this special, which is chosen by India's Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, and I'm pretty sure that the opponent will get a befitting reply after listening that PM Modi today unveiled the holographic statue of Subhash Chandra Bose at India Gate, marking the 125th birth anniversary of the illustrious freedom fighter. It is an iconic statue of Subhash Chandra Bose, which is projected by the 4K projector, but later it will be replaced by a permanent 28-feet high jet black statue of Subhash Chandra Bose made by granite. The size of the statue is 28 feet in height and 6 feet in width. And PM Modi even said that this is not just a statue but a big tribute to all the freedom fighters, and we must be proud of ourselves to be an Indian because we got a PM who never overstayed. So not only this, but also on the eve of Republic Day 2022, 1,000 million India drones will light up in the sky for 10 minutes at Rajpath in beating retreat ceremony. Beating retreat ceremony in India officially conducts to the end of festivals of Republic Day. It is celebrated on 29 January 2022, and this year this will be celebrated with the help of 1,000 drones, which will create different formations for our country, which is really going to be rocking. So be ready for that, and at the end I would only love to say that stop recognizing yourself as a Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, be an Indian. And one more thing, by saying Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, you cannot be an Indian, you cannot be an Indian. So be an Indian, change yourself. Thank you very much, and here I'm wishing you all a very happy